Case study: the Hansa Nord 1976. Introduction. The case of the Hansa Nord 1976 stands as a landmark in maritime law, encapsulating the complexities and challenges inherent in international trade and shipping. This case, which unfolded against the backdrop of evolving legal frameworks and international conventions, highlights the pivotal role of the courts in adjudicating disputes within the maritime domain. This essay aims to dissect the structural dimensions of the Hansa Nord 1976, shedding light on its legal significance and enduring legacy. Background. The case of the Hansa Nord 1976 emerged from a collision between two vessels on the high seas, sparking a legal dispute that reverberated across international waters. Against the backdrop of burgeoning global trade and maritime commerce, the legal landscape was shaped by a patchwork of maritime laws and international conventions aimed at regulating maritime activities. The collision underscored the tension between competing interests in the maritime domain, setting the stage for a contentious legal battle. Facts of the case. The factual narrative of the Hansa Nord 1976 revolves around a collision between the plaintiff's vessel, the Hansa Nord, and the defendant's vessel, a cargo ship. The collision resulted in significant damage to both vessels, giving rise to claims for compensation and legal redress. The chronological sequence of events delineated the circumstances surrounding the collision, including the actions of the respective vessel operators and the navigational challenges faced at sea. Key individuals and entities involved, including ship captains and maritime authorities, played a pivotal role in shaping the evidentiary landscape of the case. Legal issues. At the heart of the Hansa Nord 1976 lay a series of legal questions pertaining to maritime liability and international conventions. The plaintiff contended that the collision was attributable to the negligence of the defendant's vessel operator, thus warranting compensation for the damages incurred. Conversely, the defendant argued that extenuating circumstances, such as adverse weather conditions, absolved them of liability, thus precluding the plaintiff from seeking legal redress. This clash of legal perspectives underscored the intricate legal terrain traversed by the courts in adjudicating the matter. Arguments presented. The plaintiff meticulously crafted a legal argument, emphasizing the negligence of the defendant's vessel operator and the adverse consequences of the collision. They marshaled evidence, including eyewitness testimonies and navigational data, to substantiate their claims and establish the merits of their case. In contrast, the defendant mounted a robust defense, challenging the plaintiff's characterization of the collision and highlighting mitigating factors that purportedly excused their actions. They argued that unforeseen circumstances, such as inclement weather, contributed to the collision, thus mitigating their liability. Court proceedings. The courtroom served as the crucible where legal adversaries clashed over the nuances of maritime liability and international conventions. Witness testimonies were scrutinized, expert opinions analyzed, and legal arguments dissected with precision and clarity. The adversarial nature of the proceedings underscored the stakes involved, with both sides leaving no stone unturned in their quest for legal vindication. As the trial progressed, the courtroom ambience crackled with tension, reflecting the gravity of the legal conundrum confronting the court. Judgment. In a landmark judgment, the court delivered its verdict, navigating through the labyrinth of legal complexities to arrive at a reasoned decision. The court found in favor of the plaintiff, emphasizing the negligence of the defendant's vessel operator and the absence of sufficient grounds to justify their actions. The judgment, while met with consternation from the defense, reaffirmed the court's commitment to upholding maritime safety and accountability in international waters. Legal significance. The case of the Hansa Nord 1976 holds profound legal significance, serving as a touchstone for future jurisprudence on maritime liability and international conventions. It underscores the court's role in adjudicating disputes within the framework of maritime law, thus ensuring fairness and justice in the realm of international trade and shipping. Moreover, it serves as a precedent, guiding subsequent legal interpretations and shaping the evolution of maritime law in modern jurisprudence. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Hansa Nord 1976 epitomizes the dynamic interplay of legal principles and socio-economic dynamics within the realm of maritime law. Through a meticulous analysis of its structural dimensions, this essay has endeavored to unravel the intricacies of the case and underscore its legal significance. As the wheels of justice continue to turn, the Hansa Nord 1976 stands as a beacon of legal precedent, illuminating the path towards a more just and equitable legal landscape in international waters. If you are a law student and looking for more case studies, visit our website www.mylawtutor.net.